There's a cloud looming over the future of clean energy. It's called curtailment, and it's the biggest obstacle to weaning the world off fossil fuels. Curtailment happens when we actually produce too much wind or solar power at certain times of the day, and we have to just shut it down. But what if we sent that extra electricity into giant batteries to use when the sun goes down or the wind stops blowing? That day just might be coming sooner than you think. The easiest way to curtail curtailment would be a massive explosion of energy storage, ideally batteries. There's just one problem. Batteries are still way too expensive. Take a place like Texas. A quarter of the electricity from the Lone Star State comes from wind. When the wind dies down, Texans just fire up a natural gas power plant to make up the difference. Battery prices would have to drop by half in order to compete with those Texan natural gas plants. Today, less than 0.1% of the world's electricity spends any time in a storage battery. And even by 2040, the best forecasts say that batteries will make up just 3% of the world's power supply. But consider the experience curve. Renewable energy is a technology, not a fuel. So prices follow what economists call an experience curve. The more solar panels we make, the better we get at making them. In fact, every time the number of panels in the world doubles, the cost to make them drops by 28%. Solar power just recently became the cheapest electricity in the world, and it's only going to get cheaper.